Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. In this video lecture, I will explain you complete slab reinforcement details for the respective G+1 building. So in my previous videos, I was explained the beam reinforcement details and column reinforcement details and foundation reinforcement details for that respected section. In this video, I will cover the concept which is related to the slab section. Okay. So initially, I will show you the typical floor plan for that respected section. Click on this typical floor plan. So this is the typical floor plan. I was explained the complete details about this typical floor plan in my previous videos. You can watch that videos for the complete details about this section. So for this respected typical floor plan, it is obtained that the width of the building is high as compared to your respected length. Okay. So for the respected width direction, it is consisting of 1, 2, 3 and 4 number of the columns. Now I will show you the reinforcement details for this respected side of south section direction. Okay, so click on this AutoCAD file. So this is the complete drawing about the AutoCAD file for this respected section. Okay, the center to center distance between the first column to second column we are obtained as 4 meter, and second column to third column is 3 meter, and third column to fourth column is 4 meter. Now I will show you the reinforcement details. So for this respected section, it is consisting of the total length of the continuous slab is approximately 11,000 mm, which is approximately equal to 11 meter. Okay, so for this respected section, it is consisting of the center to center distance of first column to second column is approximately equal to 4,000 mm, which is of 4 meter length. Okay, so for the second section of the second column to third column, it is consisting of 3,000 mm, which is nothing but the 3 meter length, and third column to fourth column, which is approximately consisting of your respected distance of 4,000 mm. So for this respected section, this blue color mark indicates your respected main bars. Okay, so the main bars we are used for this respective section is 10 mm main steel bars. Okay, so here the blue color section will be indicating your main bar section, which is nothing but your bent up bars. Okay, so this red color section will be indicates your distribution bars. Okay, so for the respective section of the first span, which is consisting of 4,000 mm length, we are consider that the main bar will be consisting of 10 mm section with 5 inches center to center distance, which is approximately equal to 125 mm. Okay, so these are the distribution bars which is provided for this respected section, which is having 8 mm distribution bars. The center to center distance between the first bar to second bar we are used here is 200 mm, which is approximately equal to 8 inches. Okay, so this is the 100 mm thickness slab for this respected G+1 building we are used, and the shear force value will be higher at the support condition. Due to that reason, to resist that amount of the shear force values, we are provided the extra reinforcing bars on the top for this respected section. So the respected reinforcement bars is also consisting of 10 mm bars for the main bars. Again, it will be consisting of the 8 mm bars with the 200 center to center distance between each bar for the respected distribution section. Okay, so the bent up bar will be provided at a distance of L/7 for this respected first span at the support condition. Okay, again we have to provide the respected distance of L/4, which is nothing but the 4,000 divided by 4 distance of this total length. Okay, 4,000 divided by 4, which is approximately equal to 1,000 for this respective section. Again, it is also consisting of the second span, which is of 3,000 mm section, which is nothing but 3 meter length. So for this respective section, we are taking the L/4 distance, which is approximately equal to 750 mm for this respected bent up bar section. Again, it will be consisting of 750 mm for this respected bent up bar section. So for this respected main bars also we are taken here as 10 mm main bar section with 5 inches center to center distance. Again, for the respected distribution bars we are taken 8 mm bars with 8 inches center to center distance for this respected second span. Again, for the third span also it is consisting of bent up bar, which is consisting of 4,000 divided by 4, which is of 1,000 section, which is nothing but L/4 distance. Again, this is also L/4 distance, and this respected this is also again this respected distance is also L/7 distance, which is of 4,000 divided by 7, which is approximately equal to 570 mm. Okay, so again for the respected third section also it is consisting of your respected section of main bars of 10 mm bars with 5 inches center to center distance. Again, for the distribution bars we are taken here as 8 mm bars with 8 inches center to center distance. Okay, so this is the complete details about the reinforcement values for the respected slab section. If you have any queries about this respected video, you can text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for the respected questions, and I will provide you the respected complete details about this continuous slab reinforcement details in the below description. You can download that file. You can watch that respected details. Thank you.